Hey, hi, this is Deepshika De. I hope you all are doing well, and yeah, I know it's too late to upload my videos on YouTube channel. Sorry for that. And today I'm going to sing this song. খুবই মিষ্টি একটা গান, আমার খুবই পছন্দের গান. I hope you all like this video, and as I always say, if you like this video, please like, comment, share with your friends, family and your beloved ones, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for more new updates. Let's go for Tomake.